Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a blooming flower in Blender. First, open Blender and create a simple flower model. Make sure each petal is a separate object or a distinct part of a single mesh, allowing individual movement. We will then set up our animation timeline, typically using 250 frames for a smooth bloom. This initial setup is crucial for a successful and visually appealing animation. Now let's animate the petals. Select each petal and use rotation and scaling to simulate the blooming effect. At frame 1, set keyframes for the petals in a closed position, perhaps slightly overlapping. Then, around frame 150, adjust the petals to their fully open state and set new keyframes. Remember to use smooth interpolation, like Bezier, for a natural movement. Next, we'll add a growing stem. Create a curve and use a curve modifier on your stem object to animate its growth from the ground. Keyframe the influence of the modifier to control the speed of growth. Apply a basic green material to the stem and a contrasting color to the petals. Consider adding a simple ground plane to give your blooming flower some context within the scene. Finally, let's refine the scene and render. Add a 3-point lighting setup for good illumination, perhaps an area light, a fill light, and a backlight. Position your camera to capture the entire blooming process effectively. Set your render output to a video format, like FFmpeg video, and choose a suitable resolution, such as 1092 by 1080 pixels. Render your animation to see your beautiful blooming flower come to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.